Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You will start by powering the camera and getting the app ready. Plug the camera into power and wait for the pairing LED pattern. If nothing blinks, press reset. On your phone, install the manufacturer app, create an account, and grant camera and location permissions so the app can discover the device. Make sure your phone is on the same 4 GHz network you plan to use. Once done, open the app and choose Add Device to begin the pairing workflow. You now connect the camera to your network through the app. Select the correct model and follow the on-screen prompts to scan a QR code or input the device ID. When asked, type the exact SSID and Wi-Fi password. Small typos break the link, so verify characters. If the app uses a temporary phone hotspot or Bluetooth provisioning, accept it and let the phone pass credentials to the camera. Watch the LED change pattern. This confirms the camera is establishing a Wi-Fi session. Finish by confirming the camera is online in the app and viewing a live stream. Latency or dropouts means signal or bandwidth problems. Assign the camera a descriptive name, set motion zones and sensitivity, and change the default password to a strong one for security. If the camera fails to connect, reboot both router and camera, temporarily move the camera closer to the router, or perform a factory reset and retry pairing. One key tip: make sure your router's guest or AP isolation is off so the camera can communicate with your phone.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.